All right, so Blackstone came out with another product that I love. I've used this a few times now and it's just fantastic. It's called the Blackstone cutting board. It works out great. Maybe someone else has got their own cutting board they use. What I like about this one is there's a lot of cutting boards and things out there you don't want to put on the griddle. This one is actually designed to lay on your griddle, and I'll kind of talk about that here too. We like to review Blackstone griddle products, so make sure you check out some of our other ones. We've got a few different griddles that we've posted online, plus we have a seasoning griddle, or seasoning of the 17-inch griddle that you can watch. That one's been pretty popular, so check out that one as well. But stay tuned for other products. Today I want to talk about this because what's neat about it is there's so many times where I've been griddling and I'm going, gosh, I'd love to just get something off the heat just for a second. Or maybe, like for example, these taco dogs I'll show you later. It's kind of neat because I like to roll them up and I don't want to put it right on the heat, but I don't want to like be transferring everything over. So what I did is I actually used it over here. I cooked up my hot dogs. I was able to put them over here, roll them up, and then I put them right back down. And this stays cooler. It's not hot. It's not burning or anything like that. So it was great. You could just lay the stuff on there. Maybe it was you had to get some buns for the burgers out of the way or something. You wanted to lay them right there before you put them on. So it's just kind of a cool little area. Again, if you've got to cut something real quick, vegetables, and throw them on there, this was nice for that too. So I highly recommend this. Maybe not everyone would use a cutting board or find it beneficial to them, but for me, it was a pretty big deal. Plus, if you look at the 36-inch Blackstone griddle, by having this on here, you've still got all this room. That's what's so cool about this griddle. So, hope this was informational for you. And but like I said, if you're looking for a cutting board or looking for something similar, check out this Blackstone cutting board. I am going to put a link to that. I think we got this at Walmart, but I will put a link at the bottom of the video so that way you can purchase one for yourself if you'd like. So thank you very much for watching our video. We really appreciate it. Give us a like if you would, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.
This is the end of the video. Make sure that you like and subscribe for more great content that is ready to come. Peace out.